today I'm going to give you a quick first look and unboxing of the Nokia Wi-Fi Beacon Trio. So, Nokia are known for their mobile phones, but not also that, but the communications and networking and so on. And this is for your home Wi-Fi. So this is Wi-Fi that works with voice coverage from home to 420 square feet. My house is a bit bigger than that. You're going to get your cable, your router, your power cable, your warranty and safety information package here. So it's a simple setup guide. You get the app, plug in, connect and place the beacons in your house and connect to the Wi-Fi. Pretty simple enough as connectivity goes. And onto the beacon itself. So that's it there. It's the average size router size. And on the back you've got your ports where you'll plug in your stuff. And you've an on and off switch, power, LAN and WAN, and a reset button. So that's basically it, and that's all we have here. So that's basically it. So next thing to do is we're going to obviously get it set up and let you know how it goes over the next couple of weeks. We're looking forward to testing this out for a while, see how good it is and see if it'll improve my connectivity in the house, and I presume it will, as Nokia are well known to be top of the game in this class of product. So we will talk to you later. Any questions, feel free to ask me. Hit me up, TechBuzz Ireland, and check us out on social media. Any questions you can also ask there, and we'll get testing on this and we'll see it with a review in a couple of weeks time. Thanks for watching.